Hey guys, today we're gonna play loading. Okay, don't allow notification because I don't want to get disturbed. Why is this app not working? What is wrong with the app? Okay, oh, it's working. Okay, confirm. I'm not in California. Okay, can allow. We made connect. Okay, let's going to load. I downloaded this game because it was so cute. I like the game. Let's wait. In the ocean's dark. Please press button. Okay.
Dengan saya ba, yes,
Live
sama.
once
Lagi ka sa
more.
mga kaharap.
Please press button again. Creating live one at a time. Okay. I'm coughing because I'm sick. If you are confused, everyone. Okay. Aqualite is sleeping in the deep abyss.
Jin dengan
So
saya.
we wake it up at the same time. Oh. Aqualite has awakened with your love. You cannot bring. Okay. Confirm. Okay. I won't delete the game soon because it has so much storage. Cool. Okay, cool. I need go to manage fish. Great life. What is this? Okay, fish. Okay, I can save. Okay. Save image. Okay, I'm gonna check my gallery. So
Maureen, give this to number 2.
hey, don't go away. I'm gonna mute. Wait.
I'll give you 2.
Axolotl. This is an axolotl. Axolotl. Okay. This is fish. A doggy. Ah, that's so cute. Okay. Okay. Oh no, these are all for money. Why are these all things for money? Where is my puppy? Okay, no, close. No thanks. Where's my puppy? Where's the puppy? Yes.
जिंदगी से कभी दोस्ती ही नहीं रही कि उसकी जरूरतों की फिक्र न आए
Close. Where? Shop. Free. Okay. Okay. Ignore my coughing, please. I am sick. Seaweed. Fun. That's the name of my bird. I need more. For free? Okay, let's manage fish. Not discovered more fish. Okay. I need to give them more love. More coral love. Get bonus. Okay.
है तुम बताओ
Oh,
क्या
I
करूं
can
वैसे?
get more coral. Oh no, more coral.
आइए तुम कुछ करते हैं
Fish.
ठीक है अब मैं
Oh,
अपनी
okay.
दोस्ती का हक मांगू
Go.
मैं चाहता हूँ तुम और
Okay.
Ruby.
Let's do one. Oh no.
दोनों शिरकत करो शादी पे
Oh
अच्छा,
no, everything is for real money. Huh? Crow? Bye.
ठीक कहा
Oh, we can watch. Why this little ad always comes? Please, everyone, my friends, because I am sick. You know I don't feel well. I don't know why. That's why I'm coughing. Just ignore coughing. Just ignore the coughing, please. If I cough, just ignore it. I'm just sick. They are so cute.
ऐसा नहीं हो
They are so
शॉपिंग भी होगी
expensive.
और रज के
I'm
होगी
sad.
और तेरा प्यार
Okay,
भी
what is
धूमधाम से
this?
होगा इससे मेरी कान थोड़ी
Okay,
ठीक
fun.
है
मैं कह रही हूँ मना कर रही हूँ ना कर
Okay.
ना कर और जख्म हो जाएगा
But-
कर दे। ओ,
What is this?
देख तो सही जख्म
Oh
को देख
no,
ले जरा।
no more
तौबा।
no pearls. Okay, let's see this.
In
Go.
stores and
Okay.
online. Stylo, जो चाहूँ वो
Let's go
पाऊँ।
to this. Oh, this is okay. Let's spin. Yes. Let's get.
बिस्मिल्लाह
आ गया तुम्हारा बेटा
माशाल्लाह
Just
मेरा
a
बेटा है।
dolphin.
तुम्हें
Oh,
देखकर जान में जान आई है वरना सांस लेना तो तुम्हारा हो रहा
Dumbo, lol.
चाबिया
Let's
चाबिया
try free. Another
जल्दी से
one. It should be
जल्दी
fish.
लाओ भाई इस पे हाथ रखो तुम्हारी जान का
What fish we got? Oh, this is cute.
बस मम्मी ये काम
Okay, no
तमाश
pearls.
करके नहीं खामोशी से
How do I
किया
get
जाएगा।
pearls? I wanna go to the event. How do I go to the event? Okay, here. Whoa. Okay, I don't want this real ad. Why it says 83 seconds first, then it's 30 seconds, then it becomes 11 seconds. No, I mean 20. After 23, then it becomes 30, then it becomes 9, 8, 5, becomes 2, 3, 1. Oh, I'm so confused. No, give me my reward. Okay. Please get the hot, yes. No, I got diamond. Maybe diamond. Oh, I got gems. Let's go to other events. It's the same thing. Let's go to this new one. Okay, go. Oh no, these are locked.
मम्मी प्लीज
Ooh. Oh. Oh no, how do I get home? This event. Let's look. Eggs. In progress. Go. Get connect. Okay. Let's see this thing. Latte filled with love. Final reward. Okay, let's go. Oh no. And this. Fishy, I can't. Oh, I can spin it, yes. I always like to spin things. Let's create life. Cool. This is cute. Fishy. Oh. I wanna see that fish. We take photo. Oh, this fish is cute. Teacup fish. Ah, looks cute from the front. It looks like a cat. Oh, follow the fish. Follow the fish. Oh, fishy. Please look here, fish. You are so funny. Look here, fishy. No, what am I doing to the fish? Well, let's retake it by this side. I could make an OC out of this for my game, the show, which is Ocean Dream. Maybe. Oh no, where's my fishy going? I really want to take a cute picture of the fish. Oh, it's going upside down all the time. Oh, come back, fish. Okay. Wait, I want to see your face. Okay. Wait, please. Yes. Save this side. This side. Yes. Okay. And this side. Oh, fishy is coming in this position. Okay, now let's see the images. Okay. What? Okay, this is my photo of the fish. It looks cute here. It looks like a great profile picture. And this is just an old photo. I'm going to delete it. I just want to check my storage. iPad storage. Not really that much, but I think I need to delete the game. Oh no, where did the game go? Where is the game? Is the game missing? Did they forget about the game? Tap fish? Oh, there the game is. Oh my goodness! I have so much free GB now. I don't need to delete the game. Yay, so much GB. I finally got a lot of GB. Yay! I can download as many apps as I want. I can keep Tap Fish. And I don't need to delete apps anymore. I can download as much as I want. Okay, it's time for saying goodbye, everyone, and you are a cutie. A little reminder for you. You are cute just the way you are. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. It's okay if it just got cut, but I think it didn't.